In a world of disposable products and fleeting trends, there exists an object that has stood the test of time for over a century. The galvanized steel metal oval tub, a simple vessel that tells the story of American ingenuity, durability, and timeless design. From farmhouses to modern homes, this iconic piece has served countless purposes and remains as relevant today as it was generations ago. The galvanized steel metal oval tub emerged in the late 1800s, during the height of industrial innovation. Through a revolutionary zinc coating process called galvanization, ordinary steel was transformed into a corrosion-resistant material that could withstand the elements. Our ancestors relied on the galvanized steel metal oval tub for everything, from washing clothes by hand to bathing children, from watering livestock to preserving the harvest. It was the Swiss Army knife of household essentials. What makes the galvanized steel metal oval tub so special? It's all in the details. Each tub features carefully rolled edges for safety, reinforced riveted handles for strength, and that distinctive crystallized zinc coating that creates unique, snowflake-like patterns. The oval shape isn't just aesthetic, it's ergonomic, designed to fit perfectly in tight spaces while maximizing capacity. This is functional art, where every curve and contour serves a purpose. Today, the galvanized steel metal oval tub has evolved beyond its original purpose. Interior designers transform the galvanized steel metal oval tub into stunning planters that bring rustic charm to urban balconies. Event planners use them as stylish beverage coolers that add vintage elegance to celebrations. Homesteaders appreciate the galvanized steel metal oval tub for rainwater collection and sustainable living. Fitness enthusiasts have discovered them as the perfect vessel for ice baths and cold therapy. One tub, infinite possibilities. In an age of environmental consciousness, the galvanized steel metal oval tub represents the ultimate in sustainability. Unlike plastic alternatives that crack, fade, and end up in landfills, a quality galvanized steel metal oval tub can last 50 years or more with minimal care. It's recyclable, repairable, and naturally antimicrobial thanks to the zinc coating. When you choose a galvanized steel metal oval tub, you're not just buying a product, you're making an investment in durability and reducing your environmental footprint. The galvanized steel metal oval tub has become more than just a utilitarian object. It's a cultural icon. It appears in vintage photographs that capture bygone eras, features prominently in farmhouse decor trends, and has been immortalized in folk art and country music. The galvanized steel metal oval tub connects us to simpler times while remaining perfectly suited to contemporary life. It's a bridge between generations, a conversation starter, a piece of living history you can touch and use every day. Caring for your galvanized steel metal oval tub is remarkably simple. The galvanized coating protects against rust naturally, but you can extend its life even further with basic maintenance. Rinse after use, allow it to dry completely, and store in a covered area when possible. If the surface dulls over time, a simple vinegar solution can restore its shine. The galvanized steel metal oval tub asks for little and gives back abundantly, true value in its purest form. From humble beginnings to modern renaissance, the galvanized steel metal oval tub remains a testament to quality craftsmanship and timeless design. Whether you're a homesteader, decorator, gardener, or simply someone who appreciates objects built to last, this versatile vessel deserves a place in your life. The galvanized steel metal oval tub, proving that the best designs never go out of style.